Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built into a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, trip computer, fog lights, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, tachometer, front reading lamps. Come see the car for yourself.